this video, we'll learn how to use the if function in Excel to check whether monthly sales met a goal. What we have a table with monthly sales and a single goal value. Here the goal is 80. Step 1, start the if formula. 1, click the first cell in the status column. 2, type equals then if and choose the if function from the suggestions. The if function needs 3 parts. 1, logical test, the condition. 2, value if true. 3, value if false. Step 2, build the logic. 1, click the January sales cell. Then click the goal cell, e.g. G2. 3, type a comma, then enter the text you want when the test is true. For example, goal achieved, text must be in quotes. 4, type another comma, and enter the value you want if false, for example, mass. 5, close the bracket and press enter. So the formula looks like, you can see the code in our conversation history. Step 3, make the goal cell absolute. If you copy this formula down, Excel will change G2 to G3, G4, etc., but we want the same goal for every row. 1, edit the formula and put your cursor on G2, then press F4 or Fn plus F4 on some keyboards. 2, that converts it to an absolute reference. You can see the code in our conversation history. When you drag the fill handle down, C2 will change to C3, C4, etc., but G2 will stay fixed. Step 4, copy down and test. 1, drag the bottom right corner of the status cell down to copy the formula. 2, the status is update for every month. This is dynamic. If you change the goal in G2, every status updates automatically. And that's it!